Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best gift basket kit is probably one of the most versatile and thoughtful ways to show someone you care, offering a personalized touch that store-bought gifts often lack, allowing you to curate a collection of items perfectly suited to the recipient's tastes and preferences, making any occasion, from birthdays to holidays, truly special and memorable with a unique and handcrafted presentation. Number 5. Dessie Motivational Cards. Brighten someone's day with our unique mini motivational cards. Each card features a different uplifting message and design, perfect for a quick pick-me-up. Crafted from high-quality card stock, these cards boast rich, colorful designs. The matte back allows for a personal touch, making your message even more thoughtful. About the size of a business card, they easily fit in your purse or wallet. Share positivity wherever you go, or keep them for yourself as a daily reminder. Use them in letters, as employee appreciation notes, lunchbox surprises, or party favors. The possibilities are endless for sharing kindness. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These mini cards come in a beautiful keepsake box, making them an ideal present for the holidays and beyond. We're confident you'll love their quality and versatility. If not, we offer a lifetime warranty, no questions asked. What we like? These are perfect for spreading positivity on the go. If you want to add a personal touch to everyday interactions or small gifts, consider these. They are ideal for employees, kids' lunchboxes, or just brightening someone's day with a quick note. What people say. The basket is sturdy and well-made, perfect for holding various items. The design is elegant and classic, adding a touch of sophistication to any gift. It comes with a convenient lid that keeps contents secure and dust-free. Number 4. Couples Edition, 50 Scratch-Off Date Night Ideas. Looking for new ways to connect with your partner? This edition offers 50 unique date night ideas designed to bring you closer. Tired of the same old routine? Discover fun and unexpected activities that will make your date nights memorable. Perfect for couples seeking to deepen their connection. It's an ideal activity for any relationship or marriage. Searching for a thoughtful gift? Surprise your significant other with this unique present that promises quality time together. With 50 scratch-off ideas, the possibilities for fun and adventure are endless. What will you discover tonight? This collection is designed to foster a deeper connection between partners. Enjoy exciting new experiences together. What we like? This set is designed to bring couples closer through fun and unique experiences. If you're looking to spice up your relationship or simply spend quality time together, this is a great choice. It's perfect for anniversaries, Valentine's Day, or just regular date nights. What people say. The quality of the cards is sturdy, and the scratch-off design feels like a game in itself. The activities are creative, ranging from cozy nights into adventurous outings, and there's a nice mix to fit different moods and budgets. The thick, durable pages with vibrant illustrations and well-written instructions add to the overall appeal. The scratch-off coating is satisfyingly sturdy, ensuring that the surprise remains intact until we're ready to embark on our next adventure. Number 3. Jetec 12 PCS Woven Gift Baskets with Bows and Bags. Introducing a complete gifting solution designed to make every occasion special. This set provides everything you need to create stunning gift baskets effortlessly. Each basket offers ample space, measuring 9 by 6 by 2.24 inches, perfect for a variety of items. Their woven design in a classic beige adds a touch of sophistication to any present. You'll receive 60 vibrant, colorful pole bows to add a festive flair. Plus, 30 clear bags are included to keep your gifts fresh and beautifully presented. Whether it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any other special event, these empty baskets are your go-to for creating memorable gifts. They are ideal for fruit, treats, or any thoughtful present. Simplify your gift-giving process with this comprehensive set. It's designed for convenience and elegance, ensuring your presents always make a lasting impression. What we like? This set provides a charming and ready-to-go solution for creating beautiful gift baskets. If you need a convenient and attractive way to present multiple items for holidays or special events, this is ideal. It's perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any occasion where a thoughtful presentation matters. What people say. The fact that they came with the plastic wrap and ribbons was an added bonus that really made these baskets the perfect option. Nice, roomy and tied together well. The plastic bags make a great presentation and keep everything clean and in order. Number 2. Tequila Infusion Kit, Bourbon Old Fashioned. Discover the art of tequila making with our comprehensive infusion kit. It's designed for anyone who appreciates a refined taste, whether you're a seasoned connoisseur or just starting your journey. Personalize your spirit exactly to your liking. Experiment with our unique wood chip blends and botanicals to create anything from a smoky scotch to a classic bourbon. Crafting your own spirit is incredibly easy. Simply add your preferred alcohol and wood chips, let it infuse, then add botanicals for a truly refined taste. This complete set includes everything you need to get started: elegant bottles, diverse wood chip blends, exciting botanical flavors, a filter, labels, shot glasses, and an instruction booklet. Surprise someone special with this unique and thoughtful gift. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to show your appreciation. Elevate your home bar with this versatile infusion kit. Follow the easy recipes, experiment with flavors, and savor the taste of your own custom creation. What we like. This kit allows you to craft your own unique spirits with ease. If you enjoy experimenting with flavors or want to give a sophisticated, personalized gift for a spirit enthusiast, this is the one. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or as a special treat for yourself or a loved one. What people say. The baskets are sturdy and well-made, perfect for holding various items. The design is elegant and versatile, suitable for any occasion. Comes with clear instructions for easy assembly, saving time and effort. Number 1. 5 PCS Sturdy DIY Kraft Gift Basket Kit. This kit includes everything you need to create beautiful gift baskets with ease. You'll find sturdy market tray baskets, ties for any occasion, and protective plastic bags, all included to make your gifting experience simple. Crafted from heavy paperboard stock, these baskets are both decorative and durable. Their generous size is perfect for a variety of projects, making them an ideal choice for your do-it-yourself creations. The sturdy cardboard construction ensures they can hold a good amount of weight. They are designed for easy assembly, allowing you to create stunning personalized gifts. These baskets serve as a blank canvas, ready for your personal touch. Add paint, ribbon, or any embellishments to make each gift truly unique and special. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, wedding, or just because, these baskets are suitable for any event. They are a wonderful way to present thoughtful gifts for any celebration. Everyone loves receiving a thoughtfully assembled gift basket. Create a memorable present by filling these beautiful baskets with their favorite items to make someone's day extra special. What we like. This bulk set offers a practical and customizable base for creating your own gift baskets. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for an affordable way to assemble personalized gifts for various events, this is a great option. It's perfect for birthdays, weddings, Easter, or any occasion where you want to add your personal creative touch. What people say. They don't look cheap, they are sturdy, and they are a perfect size. The craftsmanship of these gift baskets are phenomenal. The black and white stripes make it look upscale and elegant. Comes with bows and bags as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.